Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making some crispy potato wedges. Now here I have all my ingredients that I am going to use. I'm going to use 4 large potatoes. I'm going to use some flour, some seasoning, some cooking oil, and a cup of water. So first I'm gonna start by washing my potatoes. You have to start with clean potatoes, and because I'm not removing the skin, I need to ensure that I remove all the excess dirt on my potatoes. So I'm gonna wash my potatoes thoroughly, then I am going to slice them into wedges. So here it's time to cut my potato into wedges. First I'm going to dice in half, and I'm going to cut 3 wedges from each half, and I'm going to try and get them as even as I can. So whenever I'm going to boil them, it cooks evenly. You don't have some cooking before the others. I am going to repeat the process of cutting the potatoes for the remaining 3 potatoes that I have left. I am going to boil my potatoes for 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'm going to remove and immerse in some cold water to stop the cooking process. Now it's time to season my potatoes. So I'm going to add some cooking oil and add my seasoning. I'm just going to coat them in the seasoning. Then it's time to prepare the batter to place my potato in for frying. Now I'm going to add the remaining seasoning to my flour, and I'm going to mix with some water to create a light batter for my potatoes. So now I am going to add my potatoes and just coat them in my batter, and I am going to fry them until they are golden brown, and then remove and place on a piece of napkin to absorb the excess oil. I am going to remove my potatoes and then repeat the process of frying my potato wedges. Here I have it, guys. This is the finished product of my crispy potato recipe. Now this recipe is quick and easy to make. I just serve it with some tomato ketchup. It has a lot of crunch, and if you're at home and feeling for something quick and easy, you can always use this recipe. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment down below and let me know what you think about the recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new. And until next time, stay safe.